Kannada actor Rishabh Shetty, known for his groundbreaking performance in Kantara, is set to take on the iconic role of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj in the upcoming historical epic The Pride of Bharat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Directed by Sandeep Singh, the film aims to be a monumental tribute to one of India's greatest warrior kings and a cinematic exploration of his remarkable life and legacy. The announcement was accompanied by the unveiling of a powerful first-look poster, which showcases Rishabh Shetty in a regal and fierce avatar as Shivaji Maharaj. Sharing his excitement, filmmaker Sandeep Singh referred to the project as a battle cry that not only commemorates the Maratha king's indomitable courage and leadership but also serves as a tribute to his relentless fight against the Mughal Empire. Singh emphasized that the film is more than just a historical retelling, it's a celebration of Shivaji's vision, his ability to inspire generations, and his pivotal role in shaping Indian history. Scheduled for a grand global release on 21 January 2027, the movie is being positioned as a magnum opus in Indian cinema. Promising breathtaking visuals, high-octane action, and a compelling narrative, The Pride of Bharat will delve into lesser-known chapters of Shivaji Maharaj's life, offering audiences a deeper understanding of his strategic brilliance, cultural vision, and enduring impact. For Rishabh Shetty, this role represents a significant step in his career, allowing him to explore new horizons as a performer. Known for his nuanced and intense portrayals, Shetty's casting has sparked widespread excitement among fans and critics alike. Playing a historical figure of Shivaji Maharaj's stature is no small feat, but with his talent and dedication, Shetty is poised to bring the Maratha king to life in a way that resonates deeply with modern audiences. This ambitious project is just one of several high-profile ventures in Rishabh Shetty's busy lineup. He is also set to reprise his role in Kantara, Chapter 1, a prequel to the 2022 blockbuster that earned him national acclaim. Additionally, he will lead Jai Hanuman, the second film in Prashant Verma's highly successful Hanuman superhero series, further cementing his reputation as one of Indian cinema's most versatile and bankable stars. With The Pride of Bharat, Rishabh Shetty not only takes on the mantle of portraying one of history's most revered figures but also embarks on a project that promises to be a milestone in Indian cinema, a grand, heartfelt salute to the timeless legacy of Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Fans worldwide are eagerly awaiting this epic journey, which seeks to immortalize the warrior king's story on the big screen. Get ready to witness history like never before. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for exclusive updates on The Pride of Bharat, Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj. Hit the bell icon to stay tuned for behind-the-scenes, first looks, and everything you need to know about this epic saga. Let's celebrate the legacy of our greatest warrior king together. See you on the journey.